Okay, now we talk about scanning a computer for viruses. So scanning the computer for threats like viruses, worms, adware, very important to keep a computer system in good working condition, and it helps to protect a computer from different computer security threats. So this is the most important step, how to scan your system, because once you scan your system, so then you easily get the notification of different viruses and you can easily delete the viruses from your system. So this is the most important step. If you scan your system, so then you are able to delete the viruses. Okay, so now here we talk about the scanning computer using AVG antivirus. So here we follow the procedure of AVG antivirus, that how to scan the system. So first of all, you will update your antivirus for the new virus definition file. So here you update your system, updating progress. In this way you must first of all update your system. Here we have the procedure: click programs, AVG free edition, AVG free edition for Windows, and then you click on update manager. So all these things are available on your software. Okay, so now once the updating process is complete, so then you scan your system. So now updation is important because in this way the new files are installed in your antivirus. Okay, so now here we have the different options. So once the antivirus is updated, so now you click on scan now option. So here we have different scanning option like whole computer scan, scan specific files or folder, or anti-root rootkit scan. So this is depends on the user, but most of the time you will scan whole computer system. So then you scan your system. It take a few time like this. So now this is the scanning process, and once your system is going to be scanned, like here we have only half scanning up till here, and you get a lot of viruses over here. This is virus definition file. So now here we have the option like how to stop and pause. So this is depends on the user, so you can also click on the one by one on the viruses and delete them. Okay, so now here we have two questions. Like first one is, give the steps to update the virus definition of virus antivirus software. So updation steps are here. Follow these steps to scan the computer AVG antivirus up till page number 35 and may restart AVG free edition. Now the second question is question number 5, fourth part. What is meant by scanning computer and what are the steps to scan a computer? So for scanning computer, on page number 34, first paragraph up till security threats, this is the definition of scanning computer. And then for scan you write 3 steps. Click scan now 1, 2 and 3. So this is the